Good morning guys, it is a Saturday and I'm heading to the South Melbourne market today with Indy, so I'm just picking her up right now. She's about to get in the car any minute and we're gonna head there, get some like fresh produce and just enjoy the morning. Oh, hello, welcome! How are you? Good. Excited? Yeah, I'm excited. You look gorgeous. Literally stunning. Summer wet? Yeah.
This is nice.
I'm heading to the Australian Open with Ralph Lauren today, so I thought I'd just show you what I'm wearing before we get into the car. So pretty much everything is from Ralph Lauren except for my shoes because they didn't have shoes that fit me, so I just went with my own. But the trousers and also the little cardigan and bag are all from Ralph Lauren. I'm actually really vibing these tones together. I feel like it's the perfect little tennis outfit. Anyways, Ralph Lauren have very kindly organized a car to pick me up, which is so nice. I'm gonna be heading into the Ralph Lauren like lounge suite area where we're gonna be having dinner, and then we're gonna be watching the tennis this evening. So it should be a very fun evening and I'll definitely take you guys along. Let's go!
No one cares. And it still lasted a long time.
Yeah. It's still like you still have to pack up.
I just made it. They're like alcoholic.
Champagne in coffee cups. This is the first day in the last 3 days that I have not been at the Australian Open, so I'm kind of having a little bit of an errands day today. I just dropped off some matcha at a potential new Stockist and I'm now going to go to the supermarket, go to the post office, go and pack some haiku orders and just sort of get my life sorted again because the last 3 days have been really hectic, which has obviously been so much fun but has kind of taken away from being able to do anything else. So really looking forward to just having a little bit of an admin day today, and I'll be back at the tennis again tomorrow and Saturday and then a couple of days next week. So it's a very busy period. So I'm really trying to make an effort to cook healthy, light meals when I am at home, and that way when I do have events and I'm sort of running around, it doesn't matter as much if I'm not eating that healthy. That is pretty much how I'm trying to justify it in my head anyways. I'm going to make this dish tonight that I've made a few times and I really love it. My mum introduced me to this dish, but it's pretty much just this Thai fish recipe that has cherry tomatoes and a few other vegetables and just goes over rice, and it's very light but also very delicious. So that is the plan for this evening. I also have to pack a bunch of haiku orders. Pretty much all my stockists are requiring more matcha after the Christmas period, which is so great. So I need to send all that off this week as well. Just trying to churn through these tasks and stay as productive as possible. You know how much I love Tomorrow Today Beauty? Well, they have just launched this new balm. It is so good. I literally feel so much more hydrated every time I use it. Also just helps with like buffing out the fine lines that I seem to be getting all over my face right now. So I'm loving it. Okay, the ebook is ready. signed on a new Stockist, which is in the Mornington Peninsula. The cafe and concept store is called Jones Corner. I've got to drop off some matcha for them, and I thought I would also try one of their matcha lattes that obviously use haiku matcha because I haven't had a chance to do so yet. So I will take you guys along. I'm just going to head to Armadale and select some outfits for different events that I'm attending later in this week for the Australian Open. I also want to get my nails redone. I'm still very much on the biarb nail journey, actually obsessed. Kind of can't imagine my life without having nails at the moment. I don't know if this is going to be like a permanent thing or if we're sort of just going through a little bit of a phase. And I'm also just grabbing lunch at Chibi with Catherine and Indy, which should be very lovely because I haven't had a chance to catch up with Catherine properly since last year. It is just very hot in Melbourne today. I think it's like 34 degrees or something. So I really feel like nothing in my wardrobe is completely weather appropriate besides like a bikini, but I have somehow managed to get dressed and I'm going to show you my outfit. Gone with this little top from Brandy Melville, jean shorts from New Denim, shoes are from Naked Vice, and I've just gone with this little bag from Ryland Studios. This is the outfit of the day.
Yeah. But did you see that? I was out halfway through. I was like, what is this? Like, what are we doing? Like,
Hello.
where's she sound?
Just popping on to show you guys how my nails turned out. I am obsessed. This is called the cat eye nail. Usually I've been going for a little bit more of a basic color, but for whatever reason I just felt like mixing it up yesterday and it was kind of giving like matcha vibes as well, which we obviously love. Anyways, thank you guys as always so much for watching, and also wanted to let you know that the haiku ebook is officially live on the haiku website. I will leave a link in the description box below in case you want to purchase it. It comes with 10 different sweet, delicious recipes that obviously all include matcha. It took me ages to finalize which 10 recipes I wanted to include in this ebook, and I'm just so happy with how it turned out. I really love every single recipe so much, and I really hope that you guys love it too. Anyways, on that note, I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.